All right, language explorers, let's look at this week's Thursday adverb. So a little, not much. Yeah. A little cat, a little book. Yeah. It is only a little pressure. Just we have a little time, a little bit of time left. We need a little cup. A little. Yeah, a little mess. These will make a little mess. Don't worry. Yeah. I won't make a little mess. I won't make. Let's change that. Yeah. They will have a little house, little time, little book, little cup. He needs a little more information. Very good. She wants a little less water. Little less water. It only works when there is a little less oil. Yeah. Too much oil and it doesn't work. Yeah. How cool is that? A little. So, they need a little information. We need a little idea to work with. Yeah, a little idea. She is writing a little book. Yeah, little book. We have a little pile of books. Yeah. I have a little cup of tea. Little cup. How it is, little cup. How cool is that? I just need a little more time. Yes, I need a little, I don't need a little more time. Yeah, but I have little time to get these videos recorded. Yeah, little time left. There is little time left. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So a little, not much. Yeah. Little pressure, little mess, little time, little anything, little pocket, little idea. How cool is that? So little. Now, can you use a little in a sentence? Comment below and like the video. Subscribe to the channel, and you can find me on YouTube, Telegram, and Facebook when you search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too when you search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.